Can I press? Okay. Hi everyone. Welcome to low carb keto recipes and having fun. So today I have a very special guest with me, and that's my 87-year-old mom. Okay. So I'm going to show you the recipe today for a yummy coconut flour muffin, which is so easy to make. You just dump it all in the blender and in it goes into the oven. So my mom today is going to do a taste test for me, and here's my muffin. Look at it. It's amazing. So mom, here, I'm going to give you a piece of it and tell me what it tastes like. Is the sweetness okay? How is it? Good? Shake your head if you think it's really good. Shake your head if you like it. Shake your head if you like it.
It's really, it tastes good.
Okay, lovely. So thanks mom for coming on the show with me, and I'm going to show all of them the recipe now. So as always, let's go to my kitchen and let's get cooking. Bun. Okay, so let's begin. It's such a simple recipe. So we begin with 1/3 of these are the ingredients you need: 1/3 of a cup of coconut flour, 1/3 of a cup of a sweetener of your choice, 1/3 of a cup of melted coconut oil or melted butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and of course 4 eggs and a muffin tin. So this is a little ninja blender that I'm using for this recipe. So in go my 4 eggs into my blender. While I'm breaking the eggs, I just would like to ask you all, do subscribe to my channel and press the bell for all my future videos. Much in gratitude if you do. Okay, back to the recipe. So 4 eggs into the blender. Next we have the melted coconut oil. In it goes. You can also use melted butter of the same quantity. Next is 1/3 of a cup of the sweetener. I used xylitol. You can use stevia or erythritol also. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now give this all a good blitz, maybe for 10, 15, 20 seconds. And now you will add your baking powder to your coconut flour mixture, 1 teaspoon, and give it a little mix in the bowl so it mixes in well with the coconut flour, and then add it into your blender with the rest of the ingredients. Now after you've done that, give it another good blitz in the blender. You can use a food processor, mixer, blender, anything. Okay, here's my muffin tin. I've got 5 muffins out of this mixture. I'm spraying it with a PAM spray, a butter spray. You can use coconut oil or butter or anything that you please. Now start spooning in the mixture into your muffin tins, into your individual parts of the tin, and fill them up nicely. They are going to rise really beautifully, so you can keep it a little lower than the mark of the muffin, but they'll rise really well. And of course, so in it goes, ready for the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes depending on your oven. So here they are out of the oven in my oven it took about 25 to 30 minutes. You can keep a check on it after 25 minutes. And can you see them? They're fluffed up so beautifully. They're spongy. It is smelling divine as I've taken them out. And here are my lovely coconut flour muffins. Delicate and beautiful. They smell absolutely divine. The vanilla smell is coming out so beautifully. So thank you, and do subscribe to my channel. Bye then.